Good morning, Amazers. Today we'll be looking at transformation of formula. And the first question is, make z the subject. So to make z the subject, you have to get rid of the number that is next to the z. So this one will take it to the other side of the equation. Now here we'll be left with za equals to, when you take b to the other side, it was a plus. So when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes a minus. Here we have 3, so it will be minus b. So it was positive on this side. Now, after crossing the equal sign, it becomes a negative. So at least now we have separated the z from the rest. Now to make z the subject, now next step you divide with a to get rid of the a. And finally, this will be our answer. So z equals to 3 minus b all over e. Now number 2, we want to make h the subject. So once again, we get rid of this number that is next to h. So you can rearrange this formula again, and you start with 2 pi r h plus pi r squared equals to a. It's the same thing. So now we get rid of that one, we take it to the other side, we'll be left with 2 pi r h equals to a. Now it was a positive, so after crossing the equal sign, it becomes a negative. So minus pi r squared. Now we need to get rid of 2 pi r by dividing with 2 pi r on both sides. So 2 pi r, that one and that one goes. Then we're left with h equals to a minus pi r squared over 2 pi r. And that will be our answer. So something you need to be careful when you're making the subject of the formula is you look at the number that is attached to your letter that you need to make the subject, and you get rid of it. So when it crosses the equal sign, it will change the sign. So that's number 2. Okay, now we want to make r the subject. So try to do it on your own and then see whether we'll get the same answer. You can pause the video and we work it out together. Okay, so r needs to be our main subject. So once again, let's rearrange. Pi r squared h equals to 3v. It's the same thing as the original question. Now we divide by pi h, divide by pi h. So pi h and pi h will cancel, and we'll be left with r squared equals to 3v over pi h. But that's not the answer. They want only 1r. So opposite of squared, so square, opposite will be square root. So to find the opposite of this one, we'll have to square root both sides, so that we're left with 1r. So r equals to the square root of 3v over pi h. And that's how you do it. So see whether we got the same answer, and I'll see you in the next class. So that was our topic for today. I hope you've understood. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.